You're listening to this article from Convertz.app. Weight conversion for cooking. Cups to grams made easy. Why weight matters in cooking. Volume measurements. Cups are imprecise. The same cup of flour can weigh 120-150 g depending on how it's scooped. Weight measurements give consistent results every time. Professional bakers always use weight because more accurate than volume. Consistent results every time. Easier to scale recipes. Fewer dirty measuring cups. Common ingredient conversions. Flour. Measurement, all-purpose, bread, cake. 1 cup, 125 g, 130 g, 115 g. 1 out of 2 cup, 63 g, 65 g, 58 g. 1 out of 4 cup, 31 g, 33 g, 29 g. 1 tablespoon, 8 g, 8 g, 7 g. Note: flour weight varies by type and how it's measured. Sugar. Measurement, granulated, brown, packed, powdered. 1 cup, 200 g, 220 g, 120 g. 1 out of 2 cup, 100 g, 110 g, 60 g. 1 out of 4 cup, 50 g, 55 g, 30 g. 1 tablespoon, 13 g, 14 g, 8 g. Butter and fats. Measurement, butter, oil. 1 cup, 227 g, 224 g. 1 out of 2 cup, 113 g, 112 g. 1 out of 4 cup, 57 g, 56 g. 1 tablespoon, 14 g, 14 g. Butter sticks. 1 stick equals 1 out of 2 cup equals 113 g equals 8 tablespoons. Liquids. Measurement, weight, ml. 1 cup, 237 g, 237. 1 out of 2 cup, 118 g, 118. 1 out of 4 cup, 59 g, 59. 1 tablespoon, 15 g, 15. Note: 1 milliliter of water equals 1 gram. Density may vary for other liquids. Common baking ingredients. Ingredient: 1 cup weight. All-purpose flour, 125 g. Bread flour, 130 g. Whole wheat flour, 120 g. Granulated sugar, 200 g. Brown sugar, packed, 220 g. Powdered sugar, 120 g. Butter, 227 g. Milk, 245 g. Heavy cream, 232 g. Honey, 340 g. Maple syrup, 315 g. Cocoa powder, 85 g. Rolled oats, 90 g. Rice, uncooked, 185 g. Chocolate chips, 175 g. Volume to volume conversions. U.S. measurements. Measurement, equivalent. 1 cup, 16 tablespoons. 1 cup, 48 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon, 3 teaspoons. 1 out of 2 cup, 8 tablespoons. 1 out of 4 cup, 4 tablespoons. U.S. to metric volume. U.S. metric approximate. 1 cup, 240 milliliters. 1 out of 2 cup, 120 milliliters. 1 out of 4 cup, 60 milliliters. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. How to measure accurately. Measuring flour by volume. Spoon and level method. Number 1. Fluff flour in container. Number 2. Spoon into measuring cup. Number 3. Level with straight edge. Number 4. Never pack or tap. Why it matters. Scooping directly can add 20 to 30% more flour. Measuring flour by weight. Number 1. Place bowl on scale. Number 2. Zero or tear the scale. Number 3. Add flour until target weight. Number 4. Perfect every time. Measuring brown sugar. Pack firmly into cup. Should hold shape when dumped. Weight is more accurate. Measuring liquids. Use liquid measuring cup. Read at eye level. Check meniscus, bottom of curve. Converting recipes. Scaling up. Multiply all ingredients by the same factor. Double recipe, times 2. 1.5 times recipe, times 1.5. Weight makes this easy. Scaling down. Divide all ingredients. Half recipe, divided by 2. Quarter recipe, divided by 4. Example conversion. Original recipe, volume. 2 cups flour. 1 cup sugar. 1 out of 2 cup butter. Converted weight. 250 g flour. 200 g sugar. 113 g butter. Baking ratios. Professional bakers use ratios. Pound cake. 1:1:1:1 flour, sugar, butter, eggs by weight. Basic cookie. 3:2:1 flour, fat, sugar by weight. Bread. 5:3 flour, water by weight equals 60% hydration. Tips for better baking. Number 1. Invest in a kitchen scale, under $20 last year's. Number 2. Use grams, not ounces, more precise. Number 3. Tare between ingredients, add directly to bowl. Number 4. Write down your conversions, build your own reference. Number 5. Check recipe source. US versus UK cups differ slightly. Common mistakes to avoid. Crossmark packing flour into cups. Crossmark forgetting to level dry ingredients. Crossmark assuming all ingredients weigh the same. Crossmark not accounting for brown sugar packing. Crossmark confusing fluid ounces with weight ounces. Convert cooking measurements. Use our unit converter to convert between cups, grams, ounces, and more. Perfect for adapting recipes from any country. That's the end of this article. Visit Convertz.app for more guides and free conversion tools.